This is a 2014 Nissan Altima 2.5 S with 4 cylinders, 2.5 liters. This Altima does have a rebuilt title. You can view the auto check by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Here is the trunk space, and under here will be your spare tire equipment, and then under that is your spare tire. Hopefully you will not ever need it, but they're nice to have. There's your aluminum alloy rims, and there's the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a black fabric. Here is the back row, and you have rubber floor mats to help protect your carpets. Here is the passenger side and the driver's seat. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise and phone controls, audio control, power locks, power windows, traction control down there. There's your audio control climate. In here, you have a 12-volt port. And then another 12-volt port in there. If you are looking for a sedan that gets great gas mileage to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Nissan Altima out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.